Isang mapagpalang araw po muli sa ating lahat. So, welcome back to our 365 Daily Devotions. So, today is August 20 and today is Tuesday. So, this is our second installment of our third series, which is Loving God is Hating Sin. So, our topic for today is all sins must be punished. So, in connection to our topic for today, ang Bible verse natin tatalakayin ay ang 1 Peter chapter 1 verses 14 to 19. So, in English Standard Version, as obedient children, do not be conformed to the passions of your former ignorance. But as he who called you is holy, you also be holy in all your conduct, since it is written, you shall be holy, for I am holy. And if you call on him as Father, who judges impartially according to each one's deeds, conduct yourselves with fear throughout the time of your exile, knowing that you are ransomed from the future days inherited from your forefathers, not with perishable things such as silver or gold, but with the precious blood of Christ, like that of a lamb without blemish or spot. In Filipino translation naman, in Magandang Balita Biblia Version, bilang masunuring mga anak, huwag kayong umayad sa magsasamang pagnanasa tulad ng ginagawa ninyo noong kayo'y wala pang tunay na pagkaunawa. Dahil ang Diyos na pumili sa inyo ay banal, dapat na kayong magpakabanal sa lahat ng inyong ginagawa. Sapagkat nasusulat, magpakabanal kayo sapagkat ako ay banal. Walang itinatangi ang Diyos, pinapahalagahan niya ang bawat isa ayon sa mga ginawa nito. At dahil tinatawag ninyo siyang Ama, igalang ninyo siya habang kayo'y nabubuhay. Alam niyo kung ano ang ipinagbubuhat sa inyo na walang kabubuhay na inyong minanang sa inyong mga magulang. Ang pinagbubuhat sa inyo hindi ang mga bagay na nasisira o nagbubuhat tulad ng ginto o pilak, kundi sa pamamagitan ng mahalagang tubo ni Kristo. Siya ang korderong walang mati, walang batiklat kasalanan. So, ito na yung verse na pag-uusapan natin for today, and proceed tayo ngayon sa ating teaching. So, kung pasensya na kung hindi ko gaano malakasan ang boses ko kasi wala na rin akong energy, wala pa akong tulong, and kita na naman sobrang pagod na ng mata ko, diba? But still here I am doing this devotion kasi right now I am also seeking God's answer for a topic that has been ongoing for a while. So, ayan, proceed tayo sa ating teaching. Number 1, God is holy and He hates sin. Number 2, God hates our sinful passions. Number 3, God poured out His wrath on Christ. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, di pa nga tayo sinasabi na when the time comes for our day of judgment, dapat wala na tayong bahid ng anumang kasalanan, kahit gaano pa yan kaliit, kahit pa isang tutok lang yan, kahit gano'n siya kaliit. Kasi nga, God hates sinful passions and He hates sins. Yung series natin yun, diba? Loving God is hating sin. So when we love God, we should hate sins. So ito na yung start ng pagpapama natin sa buhay natin at pagtalikod sa mga sinful passions na mayroon tayo. Siya namang nag-uudyok sa atin para magkamali. And last, God poured out His wrath on Christ. So natin lahat na Jesus died for us on the cross, and siya yung tumanggap ng mga consequences na dapat na tinatanggap natin until now para lang masave niya tayo, diba? So, from our application part, Number one, be holy and set apart. Number two, fear God and hate evil. Number three, go back to the cross. So for our discussion part, right now, after watching this devotion, we should be able to identify what does the cross of Christ tell us about our sins. So, ayun lamang po for our devotion for today, and I hope na may natutunan tayo. So, may God bless us all.